Meaning of hypermetropia.
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 Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, also known as farsightedness, is a common vision condition where far objects appear clearer than nearby objects. This occurs when the eyeball is too short or the lens is not powerful enough to properly focus light on the retina. As a result, individuals with hypermetropia may experience eye strain, headaches, and difficulty focusing on close-up tasks such as reading or using a computer. Hypermetropia can be corrected with glasses, contact lenses, or refractive surgery. It is important to have regular eye exams to detect and correct any vision problems, including hypermetropia.